Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just got home from work and we got two things from the mail. One is a Honda Ruckus tire. And another box, another shipment from the Ruck shop. Let's open it up. From the title, you're probably gonna know what it is already. I'm super excited for this. Got this on the Black Friday sale. Very nice. Very small. Oh shit. God damn, it's just tight. Alright. How am I gonna open this? Hold on. Alright, I had to rip the box because it was so fucking tight in there. Damn, Loki, this shit's pretty fucking heavy. But yep. It was packaged very well. I like that. So it doesn't get freaking... And let's open this. Be very careful. It's a TRS Mini Fatty for the Honda Ruckus. Damn. That shit looks hella nice. Comes with the cap and the hub. So it's plug and play. Damn, look at that. And now you guys know why I got the tire. This is the size. Let me see. It's dark to see, but it's 120, 70, 12, because it's a 12-inch. Damn, this shit looks bad. Can't wait to put it on. I'm probably gonna go to Steady's, get a valve stem, and have them install the tire. And then I can put it on the Ruckus. Alright, so I just came back from Steady Garage in Irwindale. They installed the tire. It was 20 bucks. And they hooked it up with a free valve stem. And if I didn't mention before, this is a Kenda KD1 racing tire. That's how the tire looks. And also, this is the hub for the 50 get motor. So just plug and play with the cap, TRS cap. And I also got a scale, just in case you guys want to know how heavy this thing is. Let me put it on real quick. It weighs 15 pounds, 15.6. I want to see how much the stock one weighs. So let's get to installing this